Okay, today we're just going to be doing some more equations as relations. So finding solution sets and so on. Solve, we need a solution set. We can either put it in a table form or the set containing, but remember our equation, we want to get it in the form y equals, so we're going to have to first subtract 3x from each side. Get 2y equals 12 minus 3x. Divide by 2. So you can either write your equation as 12 minus 3x all over 2, or 12 divided by 2 is 6 minus 3 halves x. So you can write it either way. So I'm going to make my xy table in a -3, -1, 0, 2. Probably easier if we put it in this first one because we are going to get fractions here and it'll probably be easier. So if I put it in this first equation right here, it's going to become 12 minus 3 times -3 all over 2. Well, this is going to become plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21. So this would be 21 over 2. Now, I will show you how to do it down here in case somebody wants to do it this other way. 6 minus 3 over 2 times -3. So that 3 times -3 would be 6, I'm out of room down here, minus 9 halves. Or sorry, plus, because negative times negative. So you can think of 9 over 2 as 4½ 6 plus 4½ is 10½ would be one way to do it, which is what you get if you divide in our answer up there. Which would probably, if we were going to graph this, we probably would want to put it as 10½ so it'd be easier to graph. And the other way to do it is if you want to change it to a common denominator, this could be 6 is the same as 12 over 2, and then 12 plus 9 is 21 over 2. So again, my suggestion is probably do it this first way. So now we're going to put a -1 in there, so it's going to become 12 plus 3 times -1 would be 3. I already did the negative, divided by 2. So that would be 15 over 2. Put a 0 in there. 3 times 0 is 0, so it's just 12 over 2. That one we do need to simplify into a 6. And the last number we're going to put in there is a 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so 12 minus 6 would give me 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the arithmetic might be a little harder today for you, and you might have to deal with fractions, but we should all know how to do that by now. Alright, this was a solve and graph given this domain. So again, the first thing I need to do is divide it all by 2. Won't go into everything, so we'll probably just leave it. Y equals x plus 2 all over 2. And I think I'll just leave it in that way now. And -4, this one looks a little easier though because I'm putting in even numbers. Last time we put in some odd numbers. So if I put a -4 in for x, it's going to be -4 plus 2. That would be -2. Divided by 2 would be -1. If I put in a -2, I'm going to get 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Put in a 0, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Put in a 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Put in a 4, 4 plus 2 would be 6. That would give me 3. To graph these, -4 means go to the left 4, down 1. -2, 0. 0, 1. 2, 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Oops, a little off on that one, but you get the idea. And our last one is a multiple choice. That doesn't mean we don't really need to do work. It does already solve, but I'm just going to go ahead and put for x and y, 0, 2, 4, just do it and then find the right answer. If I put a 0 in, 2 times 0 is 0, minus 1 would be -1. I put a 2 in, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 would be 3. Put a 4 in, 8 minus 1 would be 7. 0, -1, so nope. Could be an x2, 2, 3, nope. So check this last one, 4, 7, yes. So your answer choice is B on this one.